I'm still fucking Christian. No, I'm marrying no Christian. You should check my algorithm. It's not much different from the old me. I'm still fucking Christian. No, I'm marrying no Christian. You should check my algorithm. It's not much different from the old me. I'm still fucking Christian. I'm still fucking Christian. I'm still fucking
Stinky smell stuck in my room even after I took a shower. How can I erase it? Where's the origin? Hey mister, I'm talking about you. What's funny, seriously? You feel this disgusting smell? I think it's from your stinky breath. Street people, you think you're smart. You think you got no God, but I know you were shipped. You were sound. What a stupid God is you got? A liar, your God is so outrageous. You would better die.
I'm still fucking Christian. No, I'm marrying no Christian. You should check my algorithm. It's not much different from the old me. I'm still fucking Christian. No, I'm